When the fire is small, people need it. When the fire is huge, people hate it. I'm here to talk about forest fires in Indonesia that has caused nuisance in Malaysia and Singapore. I'm going to talk about when they happened, when forest fire happened, when and how forest fire happened, and the last one, what Indonesian government is doing to put out the fires. Let me start. In Indonesia, forest fires are illegal burning of forest or agricultural land. It happens during dry seasons. So when the dry season comes, everything is very hot, and then there comes these companies, there comes these companies to burn Indonesian forests, certain forests. They think this is to save their money, but the impact is dangerous, especially to the local people. Some disasters have been reported. One of them is the death of little children and their inability to go to school. Forest fires happen by the lead of fires in a forest, and it will burn the trees, the unneeded trees. It will burn the debris, and this is to some company really save their money. However, in 2015, this year, the forest fire is the worst because of the effect of El Nino, which means that the rainfalls that should fall once in a while are shifted to other places of to other parts of Indonesia. The main cause of forests is the burning of peat or underground organic matter. Fires are lit in order to stay agricultural, to clean agricultural or logging debris. Indonesia last year, in September 2014, took a very positive step, which was Indonesia's ratification of the Transboundary Asian Haze Agreement, which was initiated in 2002. This year, Indonesia is put into test whether the government should take this action seriously or just like the previous governments. To conclude, forest fires in Indonesia that have been a disastrous events for years are again making other countries like Malaysia and Singapore upset about Indonesian government. And Indonesia should be doing something to prove that current Indonesian government is serious about putting out fires. Thank you for your attention.